Today we're making what I call fast food for dinner. It's not the kind you get at the drive-thru. I'm talking about a dish that's done start to finish in less time than it would probably take you to drive to your local burger joint. We begin by cooking a pound of linguine. If you're pressed for time, make sure you put a pot of water on as soon as you get home so it's ready by the time you change your clothes and open your mail. While that cooks, we melt some butter along with a bit of olive oil. You see, the blend of these gives the rich taste of butter without it burning while we saute our garlic and spices. Once it's tender, we toss in some shrimp, and when they're pink, we stir in some lemon juice and a little parsley. Now all we have to do is drain our pasta and serve all this buttery goodness over it. I told you it was fast and probably not what you expected. This is my idea of fast food. So if you love the combo of garlicky shrimp and pasta that tastes like it came from your favorite Italian restaurant, go to our website and get the recipe for our Crazy-Fast Shrimp Scampi. You might even want to put on a bib, because slurping all these buttery noodles can get kind of messy. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a garlicky way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."